G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Thank you Gilbert for joining us. You've got a real supporter behind the camera there that's saying, why can't we have Gilbert in more videos? I don't know whether Gilbert is in a whole lot of videos. I don't know whether you, the adoring public, want to see more of Gilbert. But here he is in all of his glory. We do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Meadowvale, based a little bit south of Chicago, a mix company. They make custard mixes, premium ice cream mixes, soft serve mixes, great company. Talk to Eddie Kahina, he's your man, Eddie. Tell him I said hello, link is down here, just click on it. Straight after this video, click on it. It'll take you to their website, very easy. Now, frosting in your ice cream cabinet. We talk a lot down here at Scoop School about keeping a very consistent temperature in your dipping cabinet. What does that mean? It means that most of these cabinets, this is a master built, it's set here at -2. Most of these dipping cabinets have a defrost function that basically allows the cabinet here, the dipping cabinet, to warm up 1 or 2 degrees for about a minute or so in the evening and then bring it back down to the temperature setting. The downside is that even in that minor fluctuation, your product temperature is growing, and when your product temperature grows, your ice crystals grow. We've done another video on that. It's actually a pretty funny one. We put a lot of effort into it. I'm going to get Madeline to link it down below. Well worth watching. So I'm telling you, you should not be using your auto defrost. You really shouldn't be. It's damaging your product. You might think, well, it's saving me maybe an hour or an hour and a half at the end of the week in cleaning out the dipping cabinet, but honestly, it's honestly not worth it. You've really got to get into the process of shutting off or not using that auto defrost and then manually defrosting this cabinet. Now, again, it'll depend on how humid your area is. It's going to depend on how much frost you have built up. We'll do an overlay shot right here. You can kind of see there's a whole lot of buildup here that is, if we're not careful, going to drop down into the ice cream product, and then you've got some real problems. You've got crunchy air in there. You can even actually, if the product's in there for a long period of time, you can have some of that frosting build up actually on the bucket, on the walls of the bucket, which you do not want at all. So it depends on how, again, how humid, how much ice you have built up. I know stores that actually will take all of this product out on Sunday night. They'll manually defrost the cabinet, and the way they do that is a lot of these cabinets have a plug at the bottom here that you can basically just undo and it will leak out after it's all thawed, or you can use a shop vac. I know a lot of stores use a shop vac and they'll actually vacuum up the liquid, wipe it down, turn it back on. It doesn't take too long to get down to temperature. You shut off the auto defrost and get into a regular cycle of shutting down the dipping cabinet, taking all your product out, putting it in the storage freezer, and really giving it the once over. You do not want to have frost like this building up on the side walls. You're pulling buckets out, you've got employees scraping product here, you've got ice falling into your ice cream. It's an absolute tragedy. I'm interested if you do that. Leave a comment down below. How often do you do it? What works for you? Do you drain it out? Do you use a shop vac, or do you use another method? Love to hear from you. I love the collaboration that we have on these videos. Again, thank you to Eddie and all the crew there at Meadowvale for sponsoring it. And look, as always, if you've got a problem in the ice cream business or you have a suggestion for a video, leave a comment down below. We love comments and likes and subscribes. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.